Hi kiddos, we are doing more multiplication. It's a little bit different than yesterday, still the same concept, but we have an increase of our numbers. So our first question is multiplying 23 by 4. We start with the ones. So we've got 4 times 3 ones. Here's our picture. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. Times 4 equals 4 sets of 3 ones. I hope you can understand that. So the total of 4 sets of 3 ones is 12 ones, or 12, which can be represented as 1 10 and 2 ones. So we've just put that down here, 12. Remember, columns are really important, the ones column and the tens column. Second step, we now need to do 4 times 2 tens. So over here are our 2 tens times 4, and it equals 4 sets of 2 tens. Can you see that? I'm at school. So that's 80. All right, so now you should, when you do this, have this kind of picture on your piece of paper. We need to take those two numbers and we need to add them. That's the third step. So we take 12, and this here represents 12, and we add it to our 80, which is here. There we go, added to the 80, and it looks like this. We have 9 tens and 2 ones. 92. Simple. So some of you can just go off and do your work, but if you still don't understand, there's another method. So let's have a look at this page. It says multiply, reading with me, multiply the ones by 4. 3 ones times 4 equals 12 ones. Regroup the ones, 12 ones equals 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay? So there's your 23 times 4. We still have the ones column, we still have the tens column, but what we've done this time, and if you can remember how we do addition of large numbers and how we trade with subtraction, we've got this regrouping thing going on now. So what we're doing is we're going, all right, we have 2 ones in our 12, and 1 10. We're just popping it up the top there to remind us there's 1 10. I'm going to regroup that 1 10. Okay, and so it looks like this, tens and ones. Okay, and then the regrouping of those ones. So see how these are black, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's just popped it over here. All right. So hopefully you understand. Then it says multiply the tens by 4. 2 tens times 4 equals 8 tens. Add the 1 10. 8 tens plus 1 10 equals 9 tens. So here, see how you've gone 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. I really hope that that makes sense, and I do understand if it's confusing and you might have to rewind and go back over this. But let's do one more. I'll just move my face. Can you see me moving my face? Is that funny? All right. So let's do this. 63 times 3. You go 3 times 3 equals 9. Then you go 3 times 6, which equals, I'm just going to give you a chance to figure that out. If you don't know it yet, let's do it together. 6, 12, 18. Okay? So you have 18 and you put the 8, because it's your 10, in the tens column, and you put your 1, which is your 100, in your hundreds column. So hopefully that made sense. Remember, you can rewind and watch me over and over and over and over and over again. Lucky you! Have a really good time figuring out how to do all this, and I will talk to you later.